Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brittany from the Empurrium. Welcome to vlog number 3. Yes. Since we last chatted, I made a few totes. I love it. I sent a Snapchat to my mom and some of my friends. I was like, I made a few totes. My mom's like, a few? I'm like, yes, mom. So once again, this vlog is really like, when I go to film it, I'm like, yeah, I did that. This isn't everything I made. So once again, I'm still working on my wholesale cat toy order. It's going well, almost done. Well, by the time this is like airs, I should be done. But I've made some things. So excited. So we're gonna go over what I made. We're gonna talk about the sewing challenge for the third part. Do a little bit of mail opening. I don't have any cleaning. If I showed you my office, you'd be like, Brittany, you made a mess. And there's no time lapse of me making a mess. So, yeah. Also, my sewing blurbs came. They did, so the day I'm recording this, they came today. Hopefully, because it's a couple more days before this airs, hopefully everyone has theirs by then and you don't have to look away. If you don't have yours yet and you want to be surprised, just please don't watch. Spoiler alert. Fair warning. But yeah, if you don't care, you have yours, or surprises aren't your thing, I'm here for you. Alright, so we've got the labels are in here, and this little QR code will let you know what's in there. Looks like we got a silver marking pen from Mormino. Always love that. And then, let's see. Oh, what are these? Maybe you sew these on? They're like, I think they're leather, maybe patches. They all say be true. There's 5 of them. So sorry. So I have allergies. And then a little scissor sticker. Let's see here. Okay, so I think this is supposed to be one of the patches. It's like a sew-on thing. There's a over it with a like broken heart. I'm sewn into you. Oh, it's cute. It's a double-sided one. So there's the other side. This one does look like it's up pretty close to the top, so might be a little bit hard to use, but we'll figure it out. And then, so Josie designs the Zodiac labels, and we got our first actual one. It's Pisces, and it says we're doing amazing. I am so looking forward to all of these. This is like my favorite part of this. No offense to the rest of the tags or anything else in it. I'm here for the Zodiac. So that was the February. Super cute. And then I already opened this box because I had to, but I got a pretty box from Mormino. It came in the middle of my daughter's birthday party, and I was like, I got a present too. And I told my mom, I was like, if you order just enough, but not too much, you get a pretty box. A lot of time I get a not pretty box, but it's fine because I ordered too much. So anyways, I got stained glass roses in bamboo French terry. I got a 3-yard cut. I'm planning on making myself and my daughter matching cardigans. Oh, and I also got her, if you watch my other videos, you probably heard me mention it. I got her a pink sewing machine for her birthday. It's so cute. When I get back from my trip that I'm going on the next like week and a half, I'm going to set it up for her. And she said she wants to make videos too. So I think we might do a little like teaching my daughter to sew like series. We'll see. But hopefully next time that's set up. I got Mormino super soft fuzzy socks. They have little scissors on them. Super cute. I got the new bag binding to try. It's almost like a ribbon. I think it's going to be cool. I got it to try. There are some new snips that have roses on them. And these have rounded tips, so they're less sharp. So I'll probably let Thea use those ones. Thea being my daughter. I got some new stickers. These ones are free. You can add them to your order. And then I got Struggle Hustling, because I'm struggle-less always. I got No Demons Allowed. This is based off Supernatural, which I'm currently on season 9, about halfway through it. Finally watching. And then I got these new turn locks. They look really cool. I'm going to be doing a turn lock installation video soon, and I was like, oh, I could do different like shapes and whatnot. So this will be one, a regular like oval one, a Mickey Mouse, and a Deathly Hallows. I think those are the ones I'm doing. Also, hold please. Donut says hi. Oh, bud. Alright, and my favorite pop tab pulls. Gotta have these in every color. Can't let them run out. So that is my More Me No order. And let's see here. And I got an order in from Weft and Warp Co. I added to it twice, I think. So I finally got this like jelly vinyl. I think I got pen on it already. Unless it came that way, but I think it was me. So I got a bunch of jelly vinyl. And I got more of the butter. I still can't say it right. But I got a bunch of leopard. Oh, this black on black. So good. So good. This is the color. If you've seen my live sewing of Valora, I used this and prom pink from More Me No. But I got more of that. More black. Lots of black. My plans are to sew a bunch of the Dina bag. I cannot remember who it's from. Catsiopeia Patterns. It looks like a cat, so I'm gonna make a bunch for Meowfest. I got like a, she called this a pink, but to me it's more of like a red and pink, but it's still, I like it. I got a plain pink. It is gorgeous. Another roll of white and lots of jelly. So the clear vinyl, I think the video is going up after this, but I'll show you the tote I mean in a second. I ordered a bunch more clear vinyl, and I'm getting donut cats in clear vinyl. Once again, the donut cats are a Empurrium exclusive. I won't be selling fabric or anything, just finished items with them. But clear vinyl and jelly. I'm gonna make some bags. It's gonna be a good time. I'm stoked. I think they'll be fun for shows. Tammy also sent me some extras. Sent me black on black, leopard, zipper tape, and webbing. But I put them away. And then she sent me this stuff. I can't remember what it's called. Submit, I think is what she calls it. I think. But it's like this. It's like tape, but it's not sticky. It sticks to itself only. But I'm going to take my rolls of waterproof canvas and I'm going to try to clean them up with this. And she also sent me some double-sided tape, so I'm excited to try hers because I've tried a couple. I think you can tear hers. I don't know. I'll let you know later. Hopefully in like the next one I'll have tried it. I can let you know how I like it. But yes, Weft and Warp Co. I'll link Weft and Warp and Sewing Blurbs and More Me No. We'll do all that. I just had a video go up for this switch case. So you probably already saw this. Love it. really like it. This is still available. It's on my website. You probably have seen my Guardian backpack tutorial by now. So I'm going to be taking this one with me to So Magical, Texas. And then I made my first crystal convertible bag by Lynn's Handmade. Also the Guardian is Lynn's Handmade. And the switch case is Fierce Kitten Studio. But super cute. It's got a slip pocket back here and a zipper pocket. The inside has a cute slip pocket, and then in the pattern the zipper pocket has an overlay, but I didn't do it. But the cool thing about this bag is it turns into a backpack. So this was fun to make. I hope to make some more later on, but super cute. This is on my website too, and it's available. The Switch Case Pokemon print and that Sailor Moon print are both on pre-order in the month of February from Retro Stitch Fabrics. I will link them also. And then I made this clear tote. Super fun. It's an Enid print. There is a video tutorial coming on this one. Kind of made it up as I went, but it was fun. This vinyl is on pre-order through February 17th from Stitch Don't Kill My Vibe. Okay. Then I made 12 totes. Kind of needed to work on my wholesale order, but I did a live with Lauren Mormino, and we're like, let's just batch sew stuff, like whatever we want. She sewed Devon's, and I sewed Tuesday totes. I only finished like one of them during it, but I was like doing all my batch work, and then the next day I finished the rest. So yeah, I decided to keep one for myself, and I cursed myself when I did that because I immediately spilled caramel macchiato in it. It's fine. So this is mine. This is the disco ball vinyl from Mormino. Freaking love it. All the prints on the totes that I used are from Hex Reject. Love it. I sublimated all of them. I have an affiliate link for them, and I have a discount code that'll save me money. My code is MEOW. Yes. So there's tote number 1. This other cat one, I love this. I used a lace vinyl and a leopard print webbing. So good. So cats. I did, this is the Guna from Monster High. That was Hex Reject just did a Monster High drop last week, so fun. And then there is a cottage core drop coming up in Hex Reject on February 24th, unless it changes. But look at the meow shrooms. It's so cute. I paired it with this matcha vinyl, and it is so good. It's hard to get the true colors of this to show up on any screen, but it's the prettiest like greens. Oh my gosh. And then with this vinyl, love it. Another print coming up in cottage core is the bat mushrooms. So I paired that with a bubblegum pink vinyl, some purple webbing straps, and then I used a variegated ombre purple thread. Perfect. Okay, the last bit. I finally made a full Evolution set. The only thing that would make this more perfect is if I had an Eevee, just straight Eevee to add to it. But that's fine. So, all of these vinyls are from Mormino. Every single vinyl I used, except for the bottom of this tote, is from Mormino. I have an addiction. I'm sorry. I love them, and they're great quality. So we've got Vaporeon, Espeon, Glaceon, which apparently does not get enough love. I had made a full set of Devons, and this is the only one that's left. So, just saying, someone out there could get a matching Tuesday tote and Devon set. It's on my website. I'm feeling with this, like, this vinyl almost glows. We've got Flareon, Sylveon, Jolteon. I love this one because I mixed some stuff I normally wouldn't mix. So the webbing is like a gold and yellow. I used a silver holographic and then a light gold nameplate. It works. I would never do that for anything else. And finally, Leafeon. So, yeah, I made a lot more than I thought. If I hadn't made the totes just this week, I would have been like, but I still made some substantial bags. I recorded a few tutorials. We had a few videos go up. I did add like membership to my channel. It is completely optional. Please don't feel like you have to do it. It's just something extra. You get like a little donut cat next to your name whenever you leave a comment, and then you can use additional emojis in chats and comments. So right now we have the donut cat emoji, we have George, and we have Purse George. I'm gonna add the ghost kitty, and then we'll see what else. I think we were gonna add a pink paw print, I think. So if you have ideas, let me know. And then the next big thing is I am leaving Wednesday the 15th to head down to Texas for So Magical Expo Texas. It's at the Gaylord Grapevine. It's in Grapevine, Texas, I guess, technically. I'm so excited. I am teaching. Teaching cat toys and steering wheel covers. I am so excited. By the time this airs, class signups will have ended, but So Magical Expo is going to be in Tennessee, in Nashville, June 30th to July 2nd. I'll be teaching there again. I really hope to see more and more people as the year goes on. I'm just so excited. Like, this is good. This is good. YouTube's going good. I love connecting with more people. I'm having a blast doing lives with my friends. And I'm looking forward to doing that with even more friends coming up. The vlog is fun. Oh, the sewing challenge, which is what started this. So the sewing challenge this time was to sew something without hardware. Judging off the 13 totes I made, I think I did it. But so this was my main. This was the first one. Also, I mean, I've made some steering wheel covers for orders and stuff, so those don't have hardware either. But yeah, hopefully you're enjoying the vlog. They don't get as many views, but that's fine. It's understandable. It's fine. I'm going to keep doing it. We're on 3. I haven't missed one yet. The next vlog will be coming out, let's see, this is for the 11th, on the 25th. And that one is going to have a bunch of So Magical stuff in it. It'll probably feel more like a real vlog. I don't know. Is there requirements for a vlog? Anyways, I am rambling. I got a lot to do before I leave. But yeah, anyways, thanks again. Subscribe, like, comment, you know, the good old things. I can't wait to continue this. I'm having a great time. So I hope you are too. Bye.